Hello guys, welcome to another video. May wonder why there's a Minecraft Lego bunny in front of me. That's because that's what the video is going to be about today. It's going to be a little bit of war. This little rabbit is the evilest one. That's why it's red, if you can see. So when this is what his secret weapon will be today. The Roomba. We're gonna clean these actual superheroes. This guy's the bad guy, and I'll show you where the bad guys are. This is Bulbasaur. And these guys, Minecraft Legos, and what's going on here is, so what I'm going to tell you, these two are the babies. These always need to be safe. The baby zombie pigman and the baby zombie. Bulbasaur is taking care of those two, so they're safe. And Steve is going to be ready and slice the Roomba in half. And this guy's an engineer. He's fixing the machine, or the rover, the car rover, and instead of gas coming out of it or whatever comes out of it, giant canyon bullets come out of it. And this is Alex, and she's gonna shoot USB canyons at it with super gigabytes. And then what it says is 8 gigabyte shoot per second, which is going to be crazy, and war is about to start now. But we need to wait for a couple of minutes till this robot is ready. And it's still not ready, that's why it's flashing red, if you can see. It's flashing red. Probably don't see that, but it's flashing red. But we are gonna start with that. See you in a couple of minutes. We are starting right now. This is the bunny slave.
Not gonna be able to work.
Oh, geez.
Okay, it will.
It will work. Okay, the rabbit first got to be on there because of his evil abilities.
His evil ability?
Yeah. Wait, him on? Right there will be okay. Are we ready?
Uh-huh. You ready?
Yeah. Just make sure he doesn't. Take out. Oh, whoa. He's destroying them. His evil plan worked. They're probably... Robot. Oh no, the rover's being distracted. Jeez. Let's see what chaos... Oh no! Actually, check inside it. Alex is missing.
Huh?
Alex is missing.
Really?
Did it eat it? Oh man, zombie baby pigman! Oh no! It's disastrous! It's disastrous. Baby, something's in there. Something has to be in there. Oh no. Oh, there is something. I see something.
Yes, he is in there.
You mean a she?
She?
Why do you always get that wrong?
I don't know. Are you filming?
Yes, I'm still filming. This may be an error. Well, the rabbit did it. He destructed one of them. That must be painful. Maybe taking a lot of... Oh, oh, we take that. Ooh, and the baby, and the baby zombie. Well, these two are dead. Yeah, this was fun. That was fun to see where this went.
Is that it?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. There's nothing yet. There.
Yeah.
So,
I need to clean it out.
our first people who died. Wait, can we run this multiple times?
I don't know. I gotta clean it out first.
Okay. We will see you later, but to say, I didn't know that would actually work. That was super cool. I've been wanting to do that. Well, let's just rebuild. Let's just rebuild the structure that we made, and then see if we can do a second round. Well, seems like 2 people are dead, so the story is now changing a little bit. Okay, Bulbasaur, what you doing? So, now this time, the story has changed a little bit. The war is still on, and the Roomba has eaten 2 friends. As you see here, Bulbasaur is taking care of literally nobody because there was nobody to take care of except the zombie. The baby zombie pigman is going to shoot the canyon, and the same thing with this and this. But we're ready again. These 2 people are out, so they're going up here. That's where we will know where they're in. Okay. Are you ready? And there. Are you ready to fight again?
Ready?
Yeah. It's ready for destruction. Oh. 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 Seems like it's eaten nothing yet. The bunny has fallen over, by the way. Hilarious. Going the wrong direction, robot. I felt air come out of it. I didn't know that. Get out of the way! Oh, I know what she's doing.
Just wait.
Okay. Like, nothing has been eating yet, which is good. He's flipped over. Oh, it's eating something. I heard it eat something. Did it eat anything? It looks like something. Oh my. Oh, never mind. I thought it ate the expo marker. The marker's still right there. Oh, hello, Gunner. How'd you doing? I bet we can get many likes with this video. It's better than any of my other videos. Because some reason, Legos are more popular on YouTube for some reason. And this seems like really fun. Oh, hello, Gunner. Hello. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, take a little waggy. I wonder why this is becoming so much of a failure. Oh, oh, come on, eat the... Oh, mama. Oh, Steve hasn't been devoured yet, except he's been destructive. The bunny's still on, and he's ready. This is how Lego bunnies control robots. They just make a move all over the place. Did you know that? This is so fun, actually. isn't it?
Oh, so much fun.
Hopefully that's a yes.
Yes.
It's not going straight towards. It's not going straight towards. Oh my gosh. Where are you going? Where are you going? Hi. Oh man. How come Alex has been eaten whole, but these two guys are just crazy survivors?
How? Because I need to put these guys back in.
Huh?
These are the eaters. These are the eaters.
Oh, okay. That's a good
Clean
point.
it out first.
Okay. Well, I'll see you later, please. Just in a couple minutes. I thought this was damaged for a second. I thought this was a hole to bump. Or if that came from the robot or its original. It was normally there. I think it was. Though it hasn't cleaned up my other doggo's little mess. There's still fluff all over the place, as you can tell. Well, let's go back to constructing this place. That was really destructive, actually. Jeez. I never knew it would go like this. It's a square box. Of course it will. It will be a square box. I thought it was because of Steve's store. If Alex... these guys are just weird sizes. That's why. Steve is holding the sword even though he's still the same size and stuff. Oh, yeah. Well, the story is still the same. I don't know why. The villagers eat expo monsters, but I just saw it happen. Oh, man. Just wait a second and we will see you in a couple minutes. Oh. I wonder what Alex is doing up here. She's probably... Oh my gosh. Well, hello, evil bunny. Must be having a fun time. We were doing this because it was kind of fun. This is why I made this idea. Perfect square, rectangle. Well, we were doing this because a weekend I was at my... So what I meant is this idea was made for... Because it was made for... So, 1 week ago, or 1 weekend ago, I think, we, my brother, if you didn't know I had a brother, my brother and me were, pretending a little Lego war where the Lego guys had to fight a Roomba and a different Roomba, which would break down easily because I don't know. But we went against the Roomba and the Roomba started eating our Lego guys and doing them, but it would spit it out afterwards because, you know, Roombas aren't that good. But then afterwards, it would be like fun. But they didn't really eat it, so we used these tools for now today, and wanted to try it. Just wanted to try to do this. It's fun. Grandma's having fun.
Oh yes.
This is what fun happens in a lifetime. At an old age. Not calling you old, but it's just an old age.
Oh yeah, an old age, yes. I'm older, huh?
You haven't done that much fun experiments, though.
No.
Like eating a fort with a Roomba. Oops, my fingers.
All right.
Oh.
Ready to go.
Distractiveness. We're ready. Let's see if we can do it. Wait. No, we're not ready yet. Let's see if we can do it in an angle this time. There we go. Nah, I'm not gonna do it really in an angle. I just changed my mind.
You ready?
Okay, I'm ready. Goodbye. This is where death comes from. This is sort of a mess up. Oh no! First up, Bulbasaur on the fort. Oh, going the opposite direction. I bet you it will come back. Nope, it won't come back. Well, that was just a complete old failure. Am I right, Steve? What in the world are you doing? Are you just gonna live in one corner? Come on, baby. Come on. Wrong way. Oh, ow, ooh, ow. That's what I can imagine. Nothing was eaten.
Oh. I don't know why he's not eating now.
You used to eat our friends. Why are you eating more of our friends? What's wrong with you? Oh, ow. That,
No,
oh.
I guess you don't like him anymore. Maybe he thinks they're nasty.
He doesn't think they're nasty. He still wants to destroy them. That's why he's still here for more. Come on. What's so hard for a robot to understand that they need to destroy Legos? Why do you do bending curves? Really? Unique. Goodbye. Oh, did he just eat a brick? Oh, yum. He thinks
Yeah, great one.
Wait, we didn't have a Oh, did he? Oh, he ate baby zombie pigman, I think.
Oh no, baby's in there.
This would be great for an advertisement. This is just hilarious how stupid Roombas are.
You're not stupid, he's backing up.
He's taking so long. He just loves the wall, doesn't he? Come on! Close the door. Bam. Oh, you're aiming for Bulbasaur. Oh, dang. Oh, no. Oh, he ate it. Oh, he changed his mind. It's not that delicious. Plastic isn't that delicious. Am I right, Steve? Why are you smelling a pencil? This may be like 2 minutes later, something. But you just in the floors.
He's done. He died.
Oh, that sounded like a video game music.
He died.
Well,
He's got to take a break.
Oh.
He's got to get recharged.
well, let's flip him out. Oh, why is he so heavy? I wonder how you pick these things up. Ew. I'm just touching dirty floors. That's what a Roomba feels like, dirty floors. Let's see.
Let's see who's in here.
Let's see who died.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What does that mean?
Uh-oh. Oh, it's in her belly.
Oh, just I know what to do.
You do?
Yeah. Wait. Stop touching.
Well, you'll get...
Well, I'll get her. I'll get her by hand. Oh, snap. She's stuck in there, all right.
I can get her out.
I wonder if it's a her or he.
Oh, I don't know. But it's in the belly.
You cannot tell a gender of a zombie pig baby. Dust. It stinks in there, doesn't it, baby pig?
Oh, thank you. Thank you. You saved me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, great. Thanks.
Oh, yes.
Jeez.
There you go.
We're done.
For now.
Yeah. Subscribe, like, and turn on notifications for more new videos.